Hello people, I'm Kalyani. Welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I would like to demonstrate or would like to tell you that how beginners can actually plant pothos. Pothos are also called as money plant. So we'll just begin. Well, here are the few items we would need to plant. So one is of course the cutting of money plant. Second is one planter, a small will do. A mixture of, well, the potting soil we call it, the mixture of coco peat it is, normal soil and sand. So sand will be needed when the soil is sticky one. If you have a porous or a good quality soil, you can manage with coco peat or just the soil. So sand you can skip. Then we will be needing gloves for the safety use, water, and a scissor I would like to add. So let's start. Let's begin with the safety element, that is the glove. Give me just 1 minute. I'll just put these on. So I have the gloves on and we are good to go. So firstly I'll show you the plant cuttings I have. So you can take the normal money plant, and well, I'm bad at putting or planting the money plant directly in the soil. I have few experiences which were not good. So now I have cracked the code. Basically beginners can begin with this. First you take the cuttings of money plant. You can put it in water for a few days. I have kept this for I guess 6 weeks now. So you can see this. These are now good grown. I'm so proud of these little cuttings. So everybody has now got shoots. I hope you can see this. Yeah, these are the roots and the new shoots are also being grown here. So we'll take these cuttings, and I have my planter, and I'll take one of the cuttings and I'll tell you about this extra element I have. So I'm going to use this banana peel. So what exactly we will do, I'll show you. I'll wrap the banana leaves on the new roots which our planter has got, and then we'll plant this money plant in the pot. So with the use of any tool or a spoon, maybe you can just plant this and make sure that the direction, that the position of the new shoot is on the upper side. You can see this plant I have planted, and this one is the small shoot I was telling you about. So the plant is an indoor one, so you need not water it very often. So we'll just moist the soil here, and it's ready. So like if you feel like that was of any use, please do like to this video. Thank you.